Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacy, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to show you how I make my flaxseed gel. I decided to start using this gel because the last time I did a wash and go using the Eco Styler gel, my hair fell off very seriously. It was really that bad. So I decided to do something all natural until maybe I find another gel I like. So first you're going to pour in some water. I don't know the exact measurement, but yeah, just watch, and then you add the flaxseed into the boiling water and let it boil. Just lower the heat. Okay, so I added some more water because I realized it was too thick and that would make it difficult to kind of sieve it. So when you see these bubbles coming up, it means it's ready. So you just have to turn it off and let it cool for a little bit, maybe like 1 minute, because I realized if you let it cool for a longer time, then it becomes thick and it's difficult to strain it. So just pour it into the strainer and then you try to get it all off. Don't bother, it looks a bit lighter now, but when it cools down it's going to thicken. So after getting the gel out, I just like to add some olive oil and sweet almond oil into the mix and then pour it into an airtight container, and you keep it in the fridge. It can last for about maybe 2 weeks. Just make sure it doesn't go bad, but I like to always make a fresh one after maybe 2 weeks. So there's going to be some seed left, so you can always reuse it, or maybe if you like to always use a fresh one, no problem, but you can always reuse it. So just keep it in a container and put it in the fridge. Whenever you want to make it, just boil the seed again and extract the gel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in my next video where I'll be showing you how I use this gel.